Have you ever tried copying a math equation from ChatGPT into Google Docs, only to see the formatting completely break? It is a common issue, but the fix is incredibly simple. Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you step-by-step how to export math equations perfectly. When you right-click, copy, and paste directly, Google Docs cannot read the math symbols. To bypass this, we need a quick browser extension. Step 1. Open the Chrome Web Store. If you use Edge, Brave, or Firefox, open your specific add-on store. Step 2. In the search bar, type ChatGPT to Docs. Look through the results and find the extension titled ChatGPT to Google Docs. Specifically, you want the one developed by thinksolve.com. Click Add to Chrome. Once installed, it will ask you to select a Google account. Choose the account where you want to save your documents. Step 3. Head back to your ChatGPT tab. You may need to refresh the page. You will now see new export icons added to your chat interface. Click the option to export the entire conversation as a Google Doc. The extension will automatically create and open a new document in your Google Drive. When you check this new file, you will see your math equations are perfectly formatted. Now, you can safely copy the equations from this generated document and paste them directly into your main project. The formatting will stay exactly as it should. That is all it takes. If this quick method helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct tutorials. See you in the next one.